Welcome back to the Money and Wealth Show. Our special guest this week is the Chief Investment Strategist for InstitutionalAdvisors.com, the one and only Bob Hoye. Bob, you have not swallowed the Kool-Aid. You think President Barack Obama is a disaster. Why?
Well, he's a charismatic figure in politics. And if you go back 100 years, the politicians with lots of charisma have also been very keen to employ the state to make everything better. And when the state gets too pushy, it gets to become a disaster. So he has lost credibility very quickly. His polls have dropped the fastest of any president that they keep polls on, and that goes back to Truman in the 1946-47 period. And it shows up in the polls. He's also taking the party down with him. But this is interesting because at the end of every great boom, you get the contraction, as we've been talking. And if the average folk have to tighten their belts, they're going to insist that their village or city or town tighten their belts as well. And they're going to insist that their province or state tighten, and then eventually at the federal levels.
Always a pleasure to welcome Bob Hoye to the Money and Wealth Show. And just before we let you go, Mr. Hoye, you have a special offer for our viewers.
Thank you very much, Sterling. Indeed. We have a free trial that you can get into. Just check out our website, which is institutionaladvisors.com, and there's a route there where you can click on and start a free trial.
Remember that address. It's institutionaladvisors.com. Bob Hoye, thanks so much, sir.
My pleasure. Good to be with you, Sterling.
Good to have you on the program. And thank you for joining us on this week's edition of the Money and Wealth Show.
Good afternoon. My name is Larry Ray. I'm the president and CEO of American Manganese, Inc., a company that's operating a manganese discovery at Artillery Peak, Arizona. Currently, we have a resource of about 11 billion pounds of manganese, which currently trades at $1.30 a pound. We have a 43101 economic evaluation that shows it to have very robust returns, with the potential of being the lowest cost producer in the world at 45 cents a pound. Our plans are to push this project further by drilling 191 drill holes in the next 6 months, entailing some 62,000 feet or 15 to 16,000 meters of drilling. American Manganese, Inc. currently trades under the ticker symbol AMY or AMY on the TSX Venture Exchange. If you'd like more information on us, visit us at our site, AmericanManganeseInc.com, or give us a call at 604-531-9639.
It's all about money at the HouseStreet.com Money Expo 2010. They'll be talking money, making money, saving money, and protecting assets. See Garth Turner, Michael Levy, Ross Clark, David Skarica, David Smith, and David Morgan. Plus, visit with industry exhibitors. The HouseStreet.com Money Expo in Nanaimo, February 13th, Victoria, February 14th, Langley, February 27th, and Kelowna, March 13th. To attend free, pre-register now at HouseStreet.com. That's HOWE Street.com. It's all about money.
Tax Tips with David Ingram.
You know, your mortgage should be deductible. I know Americans make their mortgage deductible, but that's law. Canadians have to do it as well, but they have to do it by rearranging their affairs. That means you borrow money to pay business expenses. You borrow money to pay the expenses on your rental house. You borrow money if you're going to trade your stock. You borrow money to do something that's business. And every time you sell your stock, you pay down your mortgage. And every time you get money in from your business, you pay down your mortgage. And by doing this, you end up with a deductible loan for business or investment or rental or something purposes. The interest is deductible. It's so easy to do. That's a tax tip.
That's our show for this week. Our thanks to David Ingram and our special guest, Bob Hoye. If you have any thoughts about today's show, please send them along to comments@themoneyandwealthshow.com. I'm Sterling Fox. See you next time.
Comments made on the preceding paid commercial program are an expression of opinion only and should not be construed in any manner whatsoever as recommendations to buy or sell any financial instrument at any time.